Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is paired to sample test for means using the Excel analysis Toolpak. So when do we use this one? In many situations, data from two samples are naturally paired or matched. For instance, revenue of two different stores on the same days. So they are naturally paired. Or grades, comparing grades from XM1 to XM2 uh, on the same classroom or the same course. So they are naturally paired. When paired samples are used, a paired t-test is more accurate than assuming that the data come from independent population, because usually they don't. For instance, comparing grades, they are the same students. Comparing revenues from different stores, they are not independent. So here the hypothesis, one tail is that greater than or lower than or even equal to tail test, and the H1 is the opposite. And here we use the Excel data analysis tool t-test paired to sample for means. So let's go to our Excel file, and remember, all our Excel files, they are free. The link to download it is in our video description. So here, I have two daily returns from S&P 500 and also NASDAQ Composite to stock market index in the US. And I grab here a lot of data. So 127 days, so the same days for both. And then, okay, let's see if one is greater than the other or if they are the same. So data analysis, if you don't have it here on data, just come on File, Options, Add-ins, Excel Add-ins, go. It is the Analysis Toolpak. Okay? So data analysis, and here t-test paired to sample for means. That is our t-test paired to sample for means. So okay. Oh. Let's delete. That's okay. So variable 1, the S&P 500. And okay, 128. Label 2. And here they must be the same size. Okay? NASDAQ Composite labels. That the 1 is our label. And here the standard is new worksheet. We want to do it on this one. So I8. And or better, let's go here on the F7. Would be pretty. And okay, and here we are. So what do we have here? So first, why the one tail hypothesis that NASDAQ is greater? Because we have the lowest mean. So okay, if we reject it, it means that it is lower. So S&P 500 is greater. And two tail means they are equal or different. So here NASDAQ, and then we can reject if p-value is lower than 0.05 or fail to reject. So here one tail. Let's copy and paste here. It will be easier. So one tail fail to reject. Whoops. It should be here, and this one should be there. So okay, here the P, the first one we fail to reject, is greater than 0.05. And two tails, so NASDAQ is not greater. So okay, or NASDAQ is greater or equal S&P 500 because we fail to reject. However, the mean is already lower, so it's not greater, so it is equal. And the equal we check here. So we also fail to reject because it is greater than 0.005. So here, two asterisks fail to reject. So the first one, S&P or Nasdaq Composite is greater or equal S&P 500. And then the second one, Nasdaq Composite is equal to S&P 500. So it is not greater because it's greater or equal, it is equal. If we reject this one, then S&P 500 would be greater the Nasdaq Composite. Okay, guys, that's it. So, and by the way, let's check here. Instead of 128 and 128, 120, they are not paired anymore. Here, range must have the same number of data points. So they must be equal on size. If they are not equal on size, we cannot use this test. And there are tons of other tests, and just check our playlist about the other tests that can be used, but this one, no. So here, all of our Excel procedures and the pair choose sample test for means is the XLT test. Okay, we have video about the other tests. Just go to our playlist. Okay, guys, so thank you. If you have questions or comments, leave them here or email me at scarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.